Good morning, Kippsters. This is Mr. Adams, and it is time for a phonics lesson for today. Alrighty, we're going to go over letter and sound identification. We're also going to go over sight words through fluency. So we're going to read sentences, and then after we read the sentence, we're going to look for those sight words. Next, I'm going to tap out a word. You're going to think of the sounds, you're going to tap it out, and then you're going to tell me what the word is. All right. Next, we are going to go ahead and revisit our book, The Hot Book. Yeah. We're going to visit the Hot Book, and we're going to see what else can we learn about things that are hot. Alrighty. And as always, we're going to go ahead and get our minds right first. Let's go ahead and close our eyes. We're going to breathe in through our nose. Breathe in through our mouth. Ooh, breathe out through our mouth. Breathe in through our nose. Breathe out through our mouth. Good job. Breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. We're going to reach for the sky and breathe in. Oh. Breathe out. Wiggle those fingers, stretch, reach for the sky, wiggle those fingers. I'm going to turn the wrist. Then I'm going to turn the wrist the other way. Good job. Whew. Nice stretch, roll out the shoulders. Very good. Let's do the other arm. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and stretch. Wiggle those fingers, stretch, stretch, stretch. Wiggle those fingers. Rotate the wrist. Breathe out. Good job. Roll the shoulder back. Good. Roll it forward. Good. Wiggle it out. Get the wiggles out. There we go. Got all those wiggles out, right? Now, as always, in the description, make sure that you have your pencil and paper, or if you have a whiteboard and dry eraser, make sure you have those because we're doing this together. All right. Time for our cards. Echo after me. Echo after you. F, fun. R, rat, J, jug, j. G, game, g. All right. B, bat, b. U, up, up. Good. W, win, w. E, ed, eh. N, nut, n. Very good. D, dog, d. M, man, m. Okay. C, cat, k. All right. Z, zebra, z. Keep going. L, lamb, wool. V, van, v. Okay. H, hat, T, top, t. X, fox, x. Very good. O, octopus, ah. S, snake, s. Okay. P, pan, p. Q, U, queen, qu. A, apple, ah. I, H, A. K, kite, k. Y, yellow, yeah. Good job, good job. I know that we know our letter sounds and to be able to identify letters inside and out. So let's go ahead and take it to the next level. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. I'm going to point to the letter. You're going to tell me its sound. A. B. K. D. E. G. E. J. K. L. M. N. A. Qu. R. S. T. A. V. W. X. Y. Z. If you got all those right, go ahead and kiss that brain. Quadruple. Quadruple is 4. Okay, let's continue moving on, guys. Now, we just practiced drilling our sounds for our letters. Now let's go ahead and practice that letter, our sentence fluency. So the sentence is this for John or Meg? Let's do it again together. Is this for John or Meg? Is this for John or Meg? Now you go ahead and say it all on your own. Is this for John or Meg? Now let's go ahead. Look for those sight words. Gonna give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, if you already found those sight words, I want you to go ahead and give me some shine. Give me some shine. Let's go for my friends that didn't find those sight words. Let's go ahead and let's circle them together now. Our first sight word in this sentence is for. For. So we're going to go ahead and circle it. The sight word for. And our next sight word in the sentence is or. Or. Circling the sight word for or. We circle the sight word for and or. And let's just go ahead and make sure that we wrote that sentence correctly. Let's see. My sentence begins with a capital letter. Very good. I made sure I had my finger spaces between each word. And I ended my sentence in a punctuation. But also, we also learned in school that when it's a person's name, those letters are also capitalized. So the name John and the name Meg are both capitalized. Good job, self. Now, let's go ahead and look at our second sentence. It was for Meg. It was for Meg. It was for Meg. It was for Meg. Now go ahead and write that sentence all on your own and say the sentence all on your own. And remember, if you need a little bit more time, go ahead and pause the video and then get right back to it. All right. Now, you should have practiced saying the sentence, and now it's time to find that sight word or sight words. So go ahead and give you 10 more seconds. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The two sight words that we're looking for today are, well, I see the word for, because that was in my other sentence. For, so I know that's a sight word. And the other one, that's right. Was. Was is a sight word. So the sight word was and for. Good job, guys, good job. Echo after me. Echo after you. For. Or. Was. Was. For. Or. Good job. Now, I want to give a shout out to a couple of my friends from Notre Dame and from Howard, because they've been putting their sight words all over their homes, and they've been practicing their sight words. They point at it and they say it. They point at it and they say it. And they've been passing their sight word videos so they can get their grades. So I want to challenge you guys. Go ahead and practice your sight words in awesome, in super cool ways, and share that with Mr. Adams. You know, if you want to take that same idea by putting your sight words all around the house, you should go ahead and do that, all right? Now, let's get on to practicing our words. I'm gonna tap out a word. You are gonna tap it out with me, and then I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to go ahead and think of what that word could be. All right, tapping hands up, tapping hands up. G. 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 All right, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Let me know what your guess is. Let's put it together. G, 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 gum, gum. The word was gum. Let's move on to the next word. Tapping hands are up. Tapping hands up. B, b, ah, ah. Good. Ks, ks. Let's put it together. B, ah, ks, b, ah, ks. All right. Think, think, think. Remember, we tap the word, and we blend it together. So when you make one sound, it doesn't stop until you start making the other sound. B, ah, ks. Let's put it together, guys. 10 seconds are up. B, ah, ks, b, ah, ks, b, ah, ks. Box, box. If you got that right, go ahead and give me some shine. Good job. Well, all right, next word. Ready? Tapping hands up. Tapping hands up. N, a, t, n, a, t. 10 seconds. Think, think, think. Nine, 10. All right. If you got that word right, go ahead and give it some shine. Let's type it out together. N, a, t, n, a, t, nut, 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 nut. The word was nut, like a peanut or a walnut. Nut. All right, guys, last word. Tapping hands up. Ready? B, a, g, b, a, g. 10 seconds. Think, think, think. Remember, I'm tapping each sound. And I want to say, start one sound, and I don't stop it until I get to the next sound. 5 more seconds. All right, if you got that word, give yourself some shine. Let's go and tap it out together. B-a-g, 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 bag, bag, bag. The word was bag. All right, guys, good job, good job. Now it's time to go ahead and get that book. The Hot Book. The Hot Book by Dr. Mike Goldsmith. Let's go and get that a little bit closer so that you can see. The Hot Book by Dr. Goldsmith. Alrighty. Oh, almost forgot. And the illustrator is Miranda Smith. We have our front cover, spine, back cover, our barcode, and this is the blurb. Tells us what the book is about. Let's go through. Ooh, flames. Fire, fire, it's fire. Here's our title page. Let's get a little closer. All right. The Hot Book by Dr. Mike Goldsmith. Miranda Smith is our illustrator. All right. So now this time around, I'm going to read and then I'm going to put the book so that you guys can see it. And we're going to read 1, 2, 3 sections today. We're going to learn about 1, 2, 3 things today. Okay? All right. Ooh. This part of the book is called The Science of Heat. Heat is a kind of energy that is present in all matter, and heat energy constantly flows into and out of all objects. Moving energy from a higher temperature to a lower temperature, heat energy can be harnessed to do useful and efficient work. Factories use it to make everyday materials, and engines burn fuels to power machines. So heat can be used for energy. Heat can be used for energy. So let's take a look at what the illustrator is showing us so far. Ooh, so we see cars, we see people, we see there's a factory. The illustrator is showing, oh, there's a rocket ship. Wow. So the illustrator is showing us what the author is writing about. These are all the things that use or need energy. All right. And then the book talked about matter. So maybe all these things, including us, are matter. Interesting. All right, let's keep learning about heat. Energy. There are many different types of energy, and they can change from one kind to another. For example, the food you eat contains chemical energy that is partially changed into heat energy during digestion to keep your body warm. The hotter something is, the faster the molecules inside it move as its heat energy increases. Without energy, everything comes to a halt. Wow, that was pretty cool. So I think I just learned with you guys that when we eat, we create energy. Because it said digestion. Digestion, what does that mean? So digestion must be something that happens inside of me when I eat food. Okay. Now, I know the part of my body that breaks food down or I get hungry in my tummy is my tummy. My tummy is also called the stomach. So you know what, guys? The stomach digests food and turns it into energy for us. That's pretty cool. All right, let's keep learning about heat. Let's see. Let's take a look at the illustration again. And there's that person. He probably made sure that he ate a really good breakfast in the morning before he wants to start surfing on the waves, because it takes a lot of energy to do a lot of work. And that looks like staying straight on that board. See him keeping straight on that board must take a lot. There we go, that look better. Take a lot of energy. All right, let's keep learning. Friction. Friction happens when any two objects rub against or slide past one another. Friction always slows down a moving object. So when two objects lose speed in this way, they have to release energy. They do this in the form of heat energy. You can feel this when you rub your cold hands together and they get warmer. So friction is when two objects are rubbing against each other and they're trying to slow down. And as they slow down, they release heat energy. Now, the author also told us that an example of that is when it's cold. When it's cold, you rub our hands together to get them warm. I kind of feel that right now. So everybody, would you put your hands together? Let's test this out. Rubbing my hands together. I kind of feel it's a little bit warm. Like the back of my hands, I can feel the cool air around me, and my hands are warm. And the inside, the palm of my hands are warm. Well, I can even feel them cooling down in the air. But let's see if we can go a little bit faster. Let's see if we can create a little bit more friction. Because remember, friction is the result of something trying to slow down. So if I speed up, I wonder if I create more friction. And I'm going to know that I create more friction because there's going to be more heat because it's trying to slow down. I wonder how fast we can go and how hot we can make our hands. Ready, steady, go. I'm fast, 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 fast. Woo. Oh man. I'm warming my face. That's cool. I created friction with my hands. My hands were two objects. I put them together and I was moving them and they were trying to slow down. And the faster I went, the more friction I created. Woo. All right, guys, that was really fun doing that with you. And remember, as always, Keep practicing those sight words. Send me those videos. But more importantly, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye, Kippsters. Round two.